Hello, hi. Sino mga athletes? Volleyball players. May mga basketball players din dito. Nasa naman? Parang wala mga basketball. Basketball players. Mga basketball nasa taas. So I have 3 tips for all the athletes today. First, ready? First, give your best even when no one is watching. Tama ba yun? Is that right? So when I was in high school, 20 years ago, when I was in high school, I have this one coach. I went to UST under Coach Kung Fu Reyes. He's coaching also the high school of UST now. So in UST, they have a really good volleyball program. So what happened was, we were doing sit-ups, back-ups, so mga push-ups. Ginagawa nyo ba yon? So, Coach Kung Fu said, do 50 reps. And then in the middle of our sit-ups, sabi niya, huwag niyong dayain. Yung isang kulang na gagawin nyo, baka yun pa yung magpagaling sa inyo. I will translate it. That one repetition you missed might be the reason you become great. So even after, up until now, every time I do everything, when I do my rehab, when I do my workout, kahit isa na lang yung gagawin ko, or nasa number 8 na ako, pagod na ako, I'm very tired at my 8th rep, I will make sure I will do my last 2 repetitions. And I think that's very important. Second, excited na maglaro ang ating mga athletes today. Second, keep growing and keep dreaming. Honestly, I never thought I would be a volleyball player. I just once like you, I actually just played volleyball because I'm alone at home. I'm the only girl in the family. Most of my brothers always go out, play with their friends, and I'm left in the house with my parents. So what I did was, since I wanted to sleep over with my friends, with my girlfriends, I played volleyball. That's the only reason why I played volleyball. So, who knows Coach Tai? Coach Tai is my coach back in college in Ateneo. So, Coach Tai would always remind us that we can do more and be more. Also, in Ateneo, we always have this mantra to do more. It's called Magis. So we have to be more, we have to do more, and we can be more. So we don't have to settle. Even if you feel like you're good now, or you're the best that you can be, you can still be more. I think that's one thing that you always have to remember. You really can't stop, you really can't settle, and aside from that, when you do things, you have to enjoy it. I really believe when you genuinely enjoy everything, your talent will come naturally. Lastly, okay, last na po. I hope everyone can listen to this. Lastly, everyone should stay kind and humble and grateful. Why? When I was a kid, I played Saka. I represented Batangas province. I wasn't part of the first 6. I give water to my teammates. I give them the towel. At that level, my teammates were so good. And I was really amazed on how they can play volleyball at the highest level. Never I thought that I can play with them and against them. Diba? So, no matter where you are now, you might be the one who actually give water bottles to your teammates. Next time, you'll be part of the first 6 or you'll be the team captain. So, I just want to say, you just appreciate whatever you're doing now. Your time will come and just be patient. Just do the work and you will reach your goal eventually. So at first, I wasn't even part of the lineup. I just listened to my coaches, I listened to my parents, and really take the opportunities that I can get. And in the end, God actually put me to where I am right now. So, again, just appreciate everything. Maraming salamat po, Mandaue City, sa napakainit na pag-welcome. Good luck to everybody. I just really want to say thank you also to Congresswoman Lollipop, Mayor Cap Jojo, and to all the Mandaue City Council. Maraming salamat po for inviting me over. And again, good luck to everybody, and I hope you can meet your future friends, future teammates, and I will see everybody in the UAAP national team and in Manila. So maraming salamat mo. Thank you so much. Enjoy, everybody.
Thank you very much, Miss Eliza Valdez, for inspiring